So I'm at Shanghai Pudong Airport, having just wrapped up end of the line, Line 2, and it's time to get home. But the metro is a bit of a slog, so I'm going to take the shortcut, Shanghai Maglev. So this is the end of the line, special Maglev edition. Let's go. Did you ever look at a map and wonder, where are these places? What's out there? Well, maybe it's just me, but I decided it's time to find out. I'm travelling to the end of every metro line in Shanghai in search of the interesting, the extraordinary, and the unusual. So, let's go to the end of the line. Now, the Maglev was built in 2004, mostly as a showcase for the German technology. Unfortunately though, it doesn't go all the way into central Shanghai, and you have to change back to Line 2 metro. So the Maglev starts at Pudong Airport in Shanghai's east, before zipping back to Longyang Road, from where you can change to one of 3 other metro lines, in this case, back to Line 2. So it's going to be quite a short episode, but I thought it was still worth doing. Now this is still the world's only high-speed maglev. There are a couple of other maglevs in service in Changsha and Beijing, but they're more sort of metro style. Top speed is 430 k's, but for most of the time, such as now, it only does 300. And I never figured out why. Maybe just the electricity is too expensive. And at that speed, even though it's a 30-kilometre trip, it takes just 8 minutes. Amazingly enough, for something which is supposed to be floating thanks to magnetic levitation, it's actually not as smooth as the bullet trains, which also run at 300 kilometers an hour. It's going to be a nice shot of my reflection. Oh yeah. So there we have it, the Shanghai Maglev, still the fastest land transportation on Earth, at least when it's going at full speed. So not long after it was built, there were plans to extend the Maglev to Hangzhou, to Beijing, even to build an entire network. But instead, China went with the conventional high-speed rail network, which is now the largest high-speed rail network in the world. So, Longyang Road, here we are. There's not a lot to it really. There's the end of the Maglev behind me, terminus of another metro line there. On the other side, there's the other big exhibition and convention centre in Shanghai, which is the end of Line 7, so we will get there, I promise. Construction sites, I think that's for yet another metro line, buildings under construction, and residential areas. But there is one other thing not that far from here which I'd like to tell you about. Now last year was when the hire bike boom came to China. Startup after startup flooded the streets with bikes with minimal management, and exasperated local authorities had to start impounding them. So all over China and Shanghai there's these hire bike graveyards, and there's one not far from here. So a couple of months ago I took my drone down to have a look, and here is what I found. get run over by the guy backing his scooter out. That's pretty much it here for Longyang Road and the Maglev Special Edition. Stay tuned, there'll be Line 3 coming up soon, heading to the industrial north of Shanghai. I'm looking forward to that one. Hopefully we find some industrial wasteland. Until then, bye for now.